Škoda Octavia with a fault, coming with a fault with park position in P with automatic, the SG box. So investigated it, got it down to being the sensor on the back of the gear stick. So we're doing quick switch repair, which is this little baby here. Saves you replacing the full gear selector unit and the cables and everything. It's quite a massive job. Right guys, I've now took the fascia off the gear stick. As you can see just down here, just underneath this loom here. This is the sensor that's gone down, this is the faulty, what's gone faulty. So basically all we've done is removed the fascia off the top. Just move the sensor, we'll sit over the top of the gear stick just like so. Once it's all fixed in place, all plugged in, jobs are good, Jim. Right guys, you're all done, all fitted, all plugged in, ready to go. Micro switch here now acts. So when the gear stick's put into park, that senses it's in the park position. All sorted, done and dusted. Happy days.